Good morning everyone, my name is Nur Hardina Batrisha binti Muhammad Nizal. My metric number is F25A1552. So today, my topic is e-waste decreasing the higher cost of technology. Imagine buy a new smartphone today only to replace it with the next 2 years. Across the world, millions of electronic devices are described every year due to the technology advancement and changing consumer trends. This legacy device become what we call electronic waste or e-waste. Although e-waste replaces a really small portion of total waste, it is currently the fast-growing waste stream global. The problem is not just the quantity of waste. E-waste contains hazardous materials such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. When improperly disposed of, the substitute contain soil, water, and air, trading both environmental substitute and human health. So today, we evaluate how to industry practice continue to the grow, persist the adding issue environment, and how innovative economy can provide suitable solution. So what about you, Aina?
To understand the root cause of e-waste, we must examine the concept of industrial metabolism. Most electronic industries still operate using a linear economic model. Resources are extracted from nature, transferred into products, sold to consumers, used for a short period, and eventually discarded. While electronic products contain valuable materials such as gold, silver, copper, and plastic, only a fraction of global e-waste is processed through licensed recycling facilities. The remaining waste is often handled by informal recyclers using unsafe methods such as open burning and acid extraction, creating toxic emission and environmental pollution. They demonstrate an inefficient industrial metabolism where valuable resources are lost and harmful waste is generated.
Okay, thank you, Aina. And now, what about Ain?
As members of society, we are directly affected by the consequence of e-waste pollution. When hazardous distance from electronic waste enter the environment, they contaminate water sources, agriculture, land, and food chain. Research shows that exposure to heavy metal from e-waste can cause respiratory disease, kindly damage blood poisoning, and even increase the risk of cancer. Workers involved in informal recycle are particularly vulnerable because many operate without proper protective equipment. Ultimately, the environmental damage caused by e-waste affect not only current communities but also future generations.
Thank you, Ain. Now we pass to Sumaya.
The e-waste crisis is not only an environmental issue, it is also an ethical issue. Many companies continue to prioritize profit and product turnover over long-term sustainability. Products are often designed with limited lifespan, encouraging consumers to purchase replacement frequently. This raises questions regarding professional responsibility. According to professional engineering and scientific ethics, organizations have a duty to protect public safety, minimize environmental harm, and act with honesty and accountability. When industry knowingly generate excessive waste or fail to manage end-of-life product responsibly, these ethical obligations are compromised. Industrial ecology provides a sustainable alternative through the circular economy model. Instead of the traditional linear system, materials are continuously reused, repaired, remanufactured, and recycled. Our proposed solution include extend producer responsibility (EFR). Manufacturers should remain responsible for products even after consumers dispose of them. Take back program. Companies should establish collection enter when consumed can return old electronic products safely. Eco design. Products should be designed to last longer, be easily repaired, upgrade, and recycled. Industrial symbiosis. Waste materials from one industry can become valuable resource for another industry, reducing environmental burdens.
Thank you, Sumaya. My conclusion is e-waste is one of the generated environmental challenge of the modern technology era.
Conclusion: The current linear industrial system is no longer sustainable.
The consequence affect human health, ecosystem and future generation.
My conclusion, as future professionals, we must uphold ethical responsibility and support sustainable industrial practice.